Now, what are we talking about?
I think today in this interaction, let's talk about how it was for us to transition from, being a student to coming into the field as a practicing professional. Because I know for both of us it was very difficult.
Why, if you remember the time masters was getting over, and thodi we started having this thought ki nahi, abhi now we have to jump into the field, and we need to start looking for the jobs. And at
Hmm.
the same time वही रहता है ना कि भाई come on, like we had that thing कि नहीं बहन चो masters before getting into masters कि जैसे masters खत्म हो जाएगा boom, we'll start working
Yeah.
as a therapist, पैसा ही पैसा होगा, ये सारी
Hmm.
चीजें, बट पैसा तो अभी भी नहीं है
पैसा तो अभी भी नहीं
पैसा
है.
तो अभी भी नहीं है. But the thing is, like, if I have to put it that way, जो पहला मतलब आई थिंक फर्ग्यूसन इज अ प्लेस जो प्लेसमेंट्स दे रहा था
Hmm.
साइकोलॉजिस्ट को. इफ यू रिमेंबर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट हैड केम,
Yeah.
वो बात अलग है, सबसे फकौल था वो.
Hmm.
बिकॉज मैं प्लेसमेंट में बैठा था और जो मेरी जो लगी थी,
Hmm.
यू हैव सीन मी
Hmm.
भाई कितना इट टुक, लाइक मतलब आई वाज देयर इन द प्रोसेस फॉर लाइक अ मंथ और टू आई गेस.
Hmm.
नहीं, 1.5 महीना में उस प्रोसेस में था, बट आई डेंट गेट एनीथिंग.
Hmm.
उसने मेरे 7 या 8 इंटरव्यूज दिए, बट आई वाजंट सिलेक्टेड एट ऑल.
Okay.
एंड दैट फीलिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट वाज मोर और लेस लाइक कि मेरे को, आई हैड दिस क्वेश्चन इन माई माइंड कि डू आई रियली वांट टू डू दिस,
Hmm.
डू आई रियली वांट टू डू दिस.
Hmm.
मूविंग फॉरवर्ड देन आई काइंड ऑफ jumped into, आई वुड से, अदर थिंग्स. जैसे क्योंकि यू नो माई थिंग्स, लाइक
Yeah.
तुझे तुझे पता है कि बहुत अलग अलग जगह पे मैंने काम किया है.
Yeah.
द टाइम, जैसे मैं आई टोल्ड यू कि द टाइम आई फिनिश्ड माय मास्टर्स, at first I kind of was really behind, getting a job.
Hmm.
कि नहीं बहन जो जॉब करना है, कुछ भी हो जाए. Some or the other way I did, get a job.
Hmm.
I did got a job, but like at the same time it was related to psychology, but it was not related to psychology.
Hmm.
जैसे तेरे को पता है कि जिसके साथ मैं काम कर रहा था, it was like I was developing curriculum as a, जो एक psychological curriculum develop कर रहा था, which had related to children's
Yeah.
development or anything that I feel.
Hmm.
बट ठीक है, मैं कर रहा था, मैंने पैसों के लिए किया है वो काम. बट लाइक मूविंग फॉरवर्ड आई ड्रॉप्ड इट. आई वर्क देयर फॉर लाइक स्ट्रेट 5 or 6 months बिकॉज वहाँ पे दे वर मेकिंग मी डू थिंग्स दैट वर नॉट रिलेटेड टू साइकोलॉजी, एंड वो नहीं हो रहा था मुझसे
Hmm.
कमिंग फॉरवर्ड.
Yeah.
And there was also this incident that I would like to share. Ki for an example, so I was traveling with the था एक बंदा, मतलब उस कंपनी का कुछ तो था वो. So I was traveling with that person. So he tend to say that I was in his car. जो अपना वागड़ का हाईवे है ना, उधर ही मैं उसकी कार में ट्रैवल कर रहा था. And he tend to say that, कि your field of psychology is a very boring field.
Hmm.
एंड आई वाज लाइक कि भाई, मतलब वो एक जो सीन रहता है ना मूवीज में कि लाइक अचानक से दे स्टार्ट फाइटिंग इन अ कार, एंड ऐसा आई शुड लाइक लिटरली फकिंग किक हिज फेस, एंड जो उसका जो मुंह है वो कार के विंडो के बाहर.
Hmm.
आई वाज लिटरली इन दैट जोन, एंड ही सॉ दैट थिंग ऑन माय फेस. ओके कि बिकॉज आई हैव गॉट दिस अ लॉट कि भाई आई मेरे फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन के थ्रू इट बिकम्स वेरी क्लियर कि वेदर आई एम लाइकिंग दैट, लाइक
Yeah.
वॉट एवर इट इज, कि मुझे वो अच्छा लगा या नहीं लगा.
Hmm.
तो जब वो हुआ, ही उसे 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 पता चला कि आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट, बट देन ही स्टार्टेड कि क्लियरिंग द शिट अप कि नहीं, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, ऐसा वैसा.
फट गई ना उसकी.
फट गई
फट
भाई,
गई
फट
ना.
गई, फट गई, मतलब भैंचोद उसकी गांड मार देता मैं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मतलब देन ही टेड टू क्लियर द होल शिट अप. वो चला, वो नाटक चला, एक पाँच एक महीने चला वो नाटक. उसके बाद आई स्टॉप. फिर देन आई गॉट इनटू टीचिंग ब्रो.
Hmm.
आई स्टिल डेट, आई स्टिल लाइक टीचिंग. आई डू टीच, मैं अभी भी पढ़ाता हूँ. बट देर आर सर्टन प्लेटफॉर्म्स जहाँ से आई गेट द स्टूडेंट्स. मैं पर्सनल लेवल पे पढ़ाता हूँ. टीचिंग, लाइक आई हैव टॉट इन द सेम प्लेस जो मेरा बैचलर्स का कॉलेज था, वहाँ पे मैं पढ़ा चुका हूँ.
Yeah.
एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो टॉट इन दिस अनदर कॉलेज. सो आई यूज टू गो एंड टीच देयर एज अ विजिटिंग फैकल्टी. बट अगेन ड्यू टू सम इशूज एंड एवरीथिंग, और वो नहीं हो रहा था कि द फाइनेंसेस वरंट बी मैनेज्ड. सो दिस केप्ट गोइंग फॉर लाइक स्ट्रेट 1.5 year. फिर उसके बाद दैट आई आई टॉक फॉरवर्ड लाइक फर्दर, मैं और भी बताऊंगा, बट आई वुड लाइक टू नो फ्रॉम योर एंड फर्स्ट कि लाइक हाउ वाज इट फॉर यू.
For me, it was like one thing I will say that, you know, what set me out different from our masters batch was that while the masters was going on, I was also practicing,
Yeah.
under supervision of
Yes.
a amazing mentor.
Yes. Yes.
Though the sessions I was doing for free because I can't, you in your masters you can practice but you cannot take money from
Money.
clients. So I was practicing for 2 years of counseling, giving emotional support sessions to clients, and that really helped me to transition from a student to a working professional, because when we were done with our masters, everyone was looking, all recruiters were looking for experience, and a lot of people did not have experience. So what was the point of doing a masters and getting such good marks and everything when that doesn't even matter? So for me, I had 2 years of experience going in,
Yes.
and though it was very hard to find a job, like, I applied to multiple places, and my God, there was this one organization that made me go through 5 rounds of interview to give me such a bad package. It was insulting, actually. I wouldn't take the name of the organization,
पैकेज
but
बता ना भाई तू
package
पैकेज बता
5,000 per month.
पर
I
मंथ भाई
mean,
इतना पैसे
wow,
तू करेगा क्या
so much money.
भाई तू
So
इतने
much
पैसे का
money.
करेगा क्या मुझे ये बता तू पहले
So much money. I was like, how can I handle so much of money? And the amount of work that they were giving, my God, not just of, of being a therapist, but also content creation, making modules, and a lot of other things. And I was like, it's okay. You can keep your job. I'm better. I feel better unemployed.
you feel
So
better
I
than
feel
employed
better unemployed
like
than
ठीक
being employed by
dad
all.
dad I need money
Yeah.
ठीक है मैं बाप से मांग लूंगा पैसा
बाप से मांग लूंगा पैसे.
like fuck,
But
bro.
good thing was, because of my experience, I did get a job. It Within 2 months of completing masters, I got a job. So that job was good. It was a 6 month project. It wasn't
हाँ
a proper full
I remember I
job.
remember
Like, I knew it was for 6 months. 6 months ke baad, my thing would be terminated because it was just a project. But yeah, for a starting salary, it was good. I realized the value of money and how much my worth is actually and how much I should be earning. So after that 6 months, I started looking for jobs again before the 6 months got over. Luckily, I through coincidence and all, I got into my own school where I did my education, and where I got the help that I needed, which we spoke about in the previous in the previous episode.
so you are providing that help to
I'm
others
providing the same help that I got to the other children who are facing same difficulties and different difficulties
nice
also. But yeah, that has been my experience. But really, that experience that I got during masters is what helped me kickstart my my journey into the field. And I have also been practicing outside of
yeah
my full-time job also, like, as a freelance
yeah
therapist, like, clients that come in and go, not associated with any other organization. But yeah, but that really helped me, and I'm happy with where I have reached at my own merit
yeah
also. That too.
अभी जैसे तूने जो बताया ना कि like you were already practicing but I don't remember telling you this but today I want to say it कि जो तू बोल रहा था ना कि you were working without getting paid so bro that did motivated me okay to a certain limit so मेरा वही था कि देख मास्टर्स के पहले I wasn't देख इंटर्नशिप्स करे थे मैंने 2-3 बट वहाँ पे क्या था ऑब्जर्वरशिप ही था
Exactly.
भी इफ यू रिमेंबर अपने को तुरंत क्लाइंट नहीं देते वहाँ पे भी सो इट वाज मोर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वरशिप दैट वाज गिवन टू अस मूविंग फॉरवर्ड जैसे धीरे धीरे जैसे बातें चली कि जब मैंने जब मेरा पहला जॉब लैंड किया था एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम अगेन मैंने तुझसे देख के आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं यू नीड वेंकटेश की तुझे ये ज़रूरत है कि यू हैव टू वर्क अंडर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सुपरवाइजर हु वुड प्रोवाइड यू the experience that you need.
Yeah.
So you can't just jump into something and you can do it good. So you would do nothing. You would do no justice to it.
Yeah.
So उसी को लेकर जब when I started practicing I would say कि under a supervision I was being thrashed bro. Like मुझे बहुत सुनना पड़ा था because during the practice I wasn't that great. मैं धीरे धीरे मैं अपने biases बाजू में रख के मैं खुद पे काम किया और तब जाके I was able to kind of reach the place where I am right now.
Yeah.
And like I can fucking say it like right now मैं confidently बोल सकता हूँ कि when it comes to us we both are like best in the business. The therapy and everything I personally feel that. और जैसे जो आगे है ठीक है हम लोग इससे पैसा कमा रहे हैं, मैं ना नहीं बोल रहा, but I have, due to that practice, no, it's not just like, you know, they taught us the skills which are required, but उस mentor ने, like, shout out to her, she also taught me कि morally क्या correct है और क्या incorrect है in the practice. That was more important.
Yeah.
अभी जैसे वो हुआ, so even like you have to done it for like 2 years, but like for me it was like 8.5 months that I did. I wasn't getting paid, nothing. मैं कुछ नहीं. I still remember my first session and I have charged the client somewhere around 500 rupees for my first session. अभी जाके it has increased थोड़ा बहुत. फिर वही मतलब जो टीचिंग वगैरह किया उसके एक टीचिंग और जो एक जो फकॉल जॉब था विद द करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट, आई वुड से उसके बाद आई लैंडेड टू बीइंग अ स्कूल काउंसलर. वो तो भाई जो अलग ही स्टोरी है भाई. उसका तो भाई अलग ही ट्रॉमा है. बीइंग like honestly bro, I'm happy for you that you're doing a very great job. Like you know the work environment that you're working in, that's really amazing, I would say. But भाई देख, अगर मैं वो किसी को ब्लेम नहीं करना, वहाँ पे कुछ चीज़ें मैंने भी करी थी, but it wasn't something wrong that was related to my work. मैंने ऐसा कुछ गलत नहीं किया था. मुझे एक आदत है, like you know, कि I have always been a rebel. So there used to be some shit happening and I used to rebel against it. और वो चीज़ें मुझे कहीं ना कहीं पे जाके नड़ी है. अभी फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, एज अ स्कूल काउंसलर, माई किड्स वुड लव मी, लाइक यू नो, आई हैव डन शिट. मैं कभी और बताऊंगा बिकॉज इट विल बिकम अ वेरी डिफरेंट स्टोरी अगेन. बट अगेन बीइंग अ स्कूल काउंसलर, आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज. वर्क एनवायरनमेंट, fuck all work environment, really toxic. Teachers would like you know, leave the job left, right and center, bro. The time I left, there were 6 or 7 other teachers who left with me. The job itself. वहाँ पे अजीब था थोड़ा सीन, like you know, with the work environment. And I personally feel that कि जब counselors लगते हैं, so for them, see, I understand कि when you are working in an organization, you should have that perspective कि you should work towards the organization. अगर कुछ इधर उधर होता है, so you should be helpful and you should be like an asset to them. See, लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि काउंसलर्स का कुछ ज़्यादा काम नहीं है, सेशंस ले लो और ख़त्म कर दो. बट एटलीस्ट द प्लेस वेयर आई वाज वर्किंग, ब्रो, देयर वर 30 स्टूडेंट्स अंडर मी. Fewer with learning difficulties, fewer with like you know, the spectrum. Basically people who don't know what spectrum is, autism, जिसको अब हम, it's a big umbrella term now, that's why it's called spectrum nowadays. So Asperger's या फिर autism, ADHD, behavioral concerns, बहुत सारे थे. Like कुछ major counseling, emotional related concerns, उनके जो अगर मैं देख लूँ, there were like 30 students under me. And like I'm telling you, bro, shout out to the people who kind of made the workplace really amazing. I would still, like you know, I would say their name, bro. They are not in touch with me no more due to some issues. जैसे like the head of department, Parul ma'am जो थी, so she was the special head, the work that you are doing right now. So she was the special head. फिर जो अनुष्का मैम थी, she was like art and craft teacher. फिर जो एक डांस टीचर था, शिवम मंगनारे करके. So they were like really important because throughout the time अगर कुछ भी mess up हो रहा था ना, so I think मेरे दिमाग में वो था कि नहीं भाई, ये जो जॉब है, whatever the fuck it is, I have to complete my year. मैं भले मैं लड़ झगड़ के complete करूँ या फिर whatever it is, but I'll complete this year. So they, one or the other way, they provided that strength and like जो एक mental peace रहता है ना कि नहीं भाई बंचोत की, ठीक है, उस घटिया जगह पे जाना है, काम करने जाना है. Of course it has given me money, it has helped me in the most critical times of my life. जब important था पैसा, उस टाइम पे it has provided me money. At the same time, जैसे like you know, going forward, they were there. So that was the thing. And now I personally feel कि I've landed in a much better place, the place where I'm working. Shout out, likewise. I love that place, bro. The work culture and everything has been super amazing. Of course, like it is corely related to counseling. I'm working there as a consultant psychologist. Again, like you know, coming back, जैसे आगे चीज़ें बढ़ती है, जैसे तूने बताया, of course, even I take my personal sessions, जो है, which is not related to the company that I'm working with, but I have my own sessions and everything, and now things have been in a better place. It's just that कि मेरा यही मानना है कि like you know, if you are really into something, अगर psychology you want to do, भाई थोड़ा patient रहना important है. Patience is something which is very important because in the beginning you might feel ki is it going to lead me anywhere.
Hmm.
Of course you also be have to a bit like you know ki spontaneous about things
Hmm.
कि कहाँ से क्या opportunity आ रही है, and like you should be open to grasp them. अभी for me it is like कि मैं ऐसा कुछ बड़ा चढ़ा के नहीं बोल रहा, but for me I personally feel that कि the experience that I've got,
Hmm.
I've worked as a curriculum developer, as a psychological curriculum developer. फिर उसके बाद I've worked as a lecturer.
Hmm.
I've worked as a student counselor, but basically a school psychologist, and now I'm working as a consultant psychologist.
Hmm.
The time I was working as a student counselor, at that point of time I was also taking sessions,
Hmm.
जो personal sessions थे.
Hmm.
बट कहीं ना कहीं पे बिफोर इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू, मेरा ये मानना है कि इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू गेट इनटू द प्रैक्टिस, और तुम्हें जैसे बोलते कि यू रियली वांट टू काउंसल पीपल और या फिर थेरेपी में घुसना है, भाई पहले करो, लाइक यू नो कि एटलीस्ट यू माइट नॉट गेट पेड फॉर इट,
Hmm.
बट वर्क अंडर अ गुड सुपरवाइजर.
Yeah,
एक मेंटोर चाहिए.
that's
mentor-
very important.
A mentor is very important.
And that's the thing, right? Like now it's difficult to find a mentor also because everyone is taking money. Like, you know, not just some money, a lot of money. Like they
True.
charge a huge. But I was fortunate enough to get a mentor who did not charge me anything. Like, you know, she
Me
did it
neither.
out of the goodness of her heart that she wanted to, you know, train the next generation of counselors, and you know, she got a very good team that way.
There are
And
very
that's
few. There are
huh?
very few, bro.
There are very few that way. But I mean that's like I got lucky that way, right? You know, I found someone who did that for me, and that gives me also the, you know, that inner thing that, you know, I should someday do that for you know, some other
Important है. तो भाई
upcoming therapists.
and like to let them know the reason why we are doing it. Of course, like we don't know where it is going to lead us.
Yeah.
But here we are sharing our experiences, and like you know, learning is not something कि तुम खुद के experience से सीखो.
Hmm.
Maybe you could learn something. अगर if we are fortunate enough that we are providing some sort of knowledge through this,
Hmm.
so that's why we are like you know we got into this.
Yeah.
Like I just want them to know that's the thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
अभी तूने जैसे बताया ना कि विद द पैसों का थिंग, इवन मैंने इंटर्नशिप्स पेड करी है जो अपने कॉलेज के टाइम पे.
Yeah.
आई हैव फकिंग पेड 3000 5000. आई हैव आल्सो हर्ड पीपल पेइंग 10K. मैंने नहीं भरे थे पर 3000 5000 तक भरे हैं मैंने. बट जैसे तू बोल रहा है ना कि इवन विद माय मेंटोर जिसके अंडर मैंने काम किया है, आई हैवंट पेड हर एनीथिंग. उधर से भी पैसे नहीं आए थे मुझे,
Yeah.
बट ठीक है ना,
Exactly.
it's a good deal,
it's
right?
a good deal. But it's like they are providing more for us than we are providing for them, right? You know, it's because it's a learning experience for us. So, see, I understand people charging, like, you know, for the training and everything. But if we are working for free after the training, then I don't feel like for per month you should be paying, because I've heard that happening in a lot of other places. Training, ठीक है, training के लिए you pay.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
But after that, they make you work there, like, you know, as an internship. But you are paying them for them to provide you the internship, and you're not getting anything.
Right.
You're getting the experience. That's a good
Right,
thing.
right.
But that was one thing that was different here. That for the training also I was not charged, but then for the internship also I wasn't charged, because in their mind I was providing a service to them also. Like, you know, the project that they launched for. So the project, I'll tell you in short, it was like, you know, providing emotional support sessions for people after the month, like after COVID, like in the year of 2020. During COVID, a lot of people are going through a lot of stuff, right?
Right.
Mentally, physically, and all the lockdown and everything. Them losing their jobs, and, you know, relationships falling apart and stuff like that. People passing away. So a lot of people are not able to afford therapy during that time. So for that, there was this project launched by my mentor called Living with Meta, and it was for people to provide emotional support sessions, like interns like us to provide emotional support sessions to these people who can't afford sessions for free. People who could afford sessions came to the therapist, to the experienced therapist,
right.
but these people who can't afford, they just need someone to hear them out, to give them that, you know, that
Yeah,
space and
I get
everything.
it, I get it.
So that is where I came in. 2 years I did that. I did my work for free. You know, so right after my masters, immediately when I switched, I was like, now I'm going to charge. Even if it's a minimal amount, I'm going to charge, because 2 years I have given my everything for free. Now it's time that, you know, I start valuing my experience of 2 years and I start charging for it. And I don't think that's wrong in any way.
भाई
Like, you know,
तूने वो घिसाई है ना अपनी.
exactly.
If I have to put it like even, and like people might say कि उनको ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ नहीं, कि सिर्फ बात करने वाले क्लाइंट आएंगे या फिर नॉर्मल क्लाइंट आएंगे दैट टाइम
exactly.
भाई द लाइक यू नो जो चीजें लेके आते थे क्लाइंट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एज वेल,
Hmm.
अंदर ही अंदर ऐसी लुप लुप होती थी कि भाई एम आई इवन प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस शिट,
Yeah,
लाइक ऑनेस्टली मतलब वो एक डर लगता था कि
exactly.
क्योंकि एंड आई पर्सनली फील दैट कि व्हेन यू आर लाइक बीइंग देयर फॉर समवन ना, it's a very huge responsibility that you're carrying on your shoulders.
Exactly.
A slightest of any affirmation
Hmm.
can literally make that person feel depth.
Yeah.
So it is very important for you to kind of have that thing.
Yeah.
तू जो बोल रहा है कि paying, of course यार कि भाई इतनी घिसाई है, so at that point of time मैं कुछ 8 8.5 महीने मैंने जो काम किया, at that point of time I used to work, I used to take, you won't believe it, जब मैं दिन के एटलीस्ट 5 से 6 सेशन लेता था फॉर फ्री.
Hmm.
सो उस हिसाब से एंड मेरे जो वहाँ पे वीक ऑफ्स थे दैट वर ओनली 1 डे, सिर्फ एक ही दिन मुझे छुट्टी मिलती थी वहाँ से. वहाँ पे मुझे जाना है और मतलब बहुत अलग अलग चीज़ें मैंने सीखी थी एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. अभी गेटिंग फॉरवर्ड मुझे एक बात बतानी थी कि वी टेंड टू हैव दिस थॉट मतलब इट्स रिलेटेड टू वर्क एज वेल. सो आई हैव वर्कड एज अ लेक्चरर और मैंने सिखाया है, मैंने पोस्ट ग्रेड्स और अंडर ग्रेड को सिखाया एज यू नो. सो वहाँ पे कि स्टूडेंट्स या फिर जो भी रहते थे बच्चे, वो ऐसे सोचते कि कि द एचओडी और द प्रोफेसर्स आर वेरी रूड, सो हाउ वुड दे बी एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट. सो मेरे को ये बताना है ठीक है कि आई वाज़न्ट समबडी हु वाज रूड और एनीथिंग. जब मैं सिखा रहा, आई जस्ट वांट स्टूडेंट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड कि देखो you tend to understand कि when a person is sitting on a therapist chair, when he is a therapist, he's your listener, he's going to provide you an empathy, it's his profession. That's how he's going to do it. But when you become a professor, when you become a lecturer, there are different responsibilities that he or she has to carry.
Exactly.
So even for an example, अगर कुछ चीज़ें मुझे ऐसा लगता था that the place where I've taught, so I've taught in Kaveri College. I'll be open about it. So Kaveri College में I've taught them developmental psychology. I've taught them this thing, personality, और ये सिखाया था, abnormal सिखाया था मैंने. And somewhere I've also taught research to them.
Okay.
So at that point of time, कि there were students who were very particular to the class and there were students who weren't. और भाई मैं मुंह पे बोलता हूँ, मैं उनकी क्लास लगा देता था. It's not something I personally feel कि भाई try and understand, it is not like कि you're doing some sort of course which is just related to working in your offices. You're going to fucking handle human. अगर तुम्हें खुद पढ़ के समझ में आ रहा है, very good, you're scoring really good, it is amazing.
Yeah.
But again, it also becomes the teacher's responsibility to make the classroom engaging so that people would come. And I personally feel that I was fortunate enough, I had those skills where teaching was, I personally I find it very interesting, I would say. And it became very easier for me to kind of go ahead and go ahead with the teaching per se. So it was good in that way. उस हिसाब से it was really amazing for me. And जितना मेरा कनेक्ट था, एंड जितना मेरा कनेक्ट था विद बच्चों जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स थे, till date they are still in touch with me, whatever it is. May it be related to their research inquiry. Abhi there are many of them who have gone abroad for their masters and everything. I'm just a text away for them, क्योंकि वो कनेक्ट में बांध सका हूँ. एंड दे वर ओपन फॉर मी ऑफ मी बीइंग थोड़ा सा अगर मैं कहीं पे अगर गुस्सा भी कर लेता था विद द असाइनमेंट्स इफ दे आर नॉट कंप्लीट, बिकॉज मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि तुम किसी का वक्त मत ज़ाया करो. You don't fuck with somebody's time, क्योंकि it's not just you that the person is dealing being a teacher or a professor. उसे बाकी के भी काम देखने, there are other responsibilities that he or she has to carry. So वो जो एक था ना कि मुझे वो समझ आ गई थी. जो लोग बोलते हैं कि नहीं यार हम लोग की एचओडी ऐसी है, हम लोग का एचओडी ऐसा है वैसा है, जो भी है, बट ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई उन्हें सिर्फ तुम्हें हैंडल नहीं करना या फिर सिर्फ तुम्हारा क्लास हैंडल नहीं करना है. There are other things that they need to take care of.
Yeah.
But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे साथ कभी वैसा हुआ नहीं था. Being a student, for both of us, it was like more or less like the connect that we had with our teachers. So it was always good.
Exactly.
So मुझे I never felt, at least with my bachelor psychology professors and HODs, and even with my मास्टर्स वाले, मुझे ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा कि आई हैड एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ इश्यूज विद दैट.
Yeah.
मेरे को नहीं लगा कभी. हाउ अबाउट यू, व्हाट डू यू फील?
I mean, like I said, and with my experience also with my, like, bachelor's and master's has been good, but I think that also comes with the fact that we have been trained to not take things personally. Like, I mean, I'll speak for like as a man.
Yeah.
Like, we take things like, as a joke or ज़्यादा personally नहीं लेते. If it sounds rude with us also, we like, अच्छा, we let it pass at that time, or we don't keep it like in our mind कि
Right.
next time also we meet them, we're like, you were rude with me last time. Now you're in my hit list. Now I hate you. It's not that. I'm not saying that my professors haven't shouted at me or they have not been rude to me. They must have been for whatever reason. It must have been the right reason or the wrong reason. But I would let it pass. Like, we give them the benefit of the doubt, because it's important to see ki more often than not have they been, good to us. Have they been nurturing to us? What are they actually doing for us at the end of the day? If they are criticizing us, it is sometimes for our own improvement also.
Right.
Like, because like I said, we need to unlearn so many things in our field to start learning what is, supposed to be.
वो तो है ना भाई, अभी जैसे तू बता रहा है, बिकॉज ये पर्सपेक्टिव अपना है.
Exactly, that's our perspective.
ये अपना पर्सपेक्टिव है. अगेन इट मैटर्स रे कि बिकॉज आई हैव बीन ऑन बोथ द एंड्स, कि मैं टीचर भी रहा हूँ एंड मैं स्टूडेंट भी रहा हूँ. सो मैं समझता हूँ कि एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कि हाउ थिंग्स वुड बी.
Yeah.
And there would be always one student like that, ki, and I used to love those students, ki who would bring some other point and they would argue with the theories and the perspectives that the theorists might have put forward. और अगर मैं भी अगर कुछ बोल देता था कि this is what I feel, so I was open to the idea कि for them to coming back with me with all the shit they would have throw it towards me. I'm open to take it in.
Yeah.
But जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मूविंग फॉरवर्ड ये बात इम्पोर्टेंट है. आई वांट स्टूडेंट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जैसे तू बोल रहा है कि टीचर हैज दिस थिंग नो कि वेयर दे वांट दैट स्टूडेंट्स टू ग्रो.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I've also seen professors who have this immense need of being liked. मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा किसी का. I was working somewhere as a lecturer. Not so. So वहाँ पे ना I knew this person. So she wasn't teaching postgrad. I was the one who was teaching postgrad, and there was one of the other person with me who was teaching in postgrad. So she was also मतलब वो भी मेरी classmate थी bachelor's में. So we both were teaching together. There was this other person. I could genuinely feel that she had this need, immense need, and it's not me who like who had my own assumption towards her. मुझे बच्चे आके बोलते थे कि like कि sir, like she kind of said this thing about you, and she has this thing कि she wants to be liked by each and every individual out there. तो मेरा वही था कि like I don't want to get like into this whole city politics and everything, whatever it is. If she wants to be like, it's her own thing भाई, कोई गलत नहीं है. But ये जो चीज़ है ना कि and now when I see myself कि I want to teach, but मेरे को नहीं लगता कि whether or not, I'm not sure कि I'll be comfortable teaching in a college for that matter of choice. Because नहीं है वो थोड़ा जो एक political एक factor है ना चीज़ों को लेके कि how people would look at you. And when you're a young person teaching that, you go up with a whole different set of perspectives, और तुम्हारा जो mindset है पढ़ाने का वो बहुत अलग रहता है और बहुत open रहता है. And somewhere or the other way you try to connect to the people who are there sitting in front of you.
Yeah.
Even other teachers do that.
Yeah.
I've seen, but like जो पुराने वाले हैं ना, they would have this thing कि what are you doing? So I personally feel that. What do you think? तेरा क्या है? But like maybe even for an example कि if you don't think about this, but like working as a school counselor per se.
Working as a school counselor, see, my experience has been good so far. Like, I'm almost going to complete 2 years where I'm working as a school counselor. I have a very good team. I have a very good set of teachers and, heads, coordinators, very supporting. So I have not had any bad experiences. Like, I've heard the experiences you have had, and, and that's the thing, right? It varies from school to school. Not all schools are same. Not all schools are well organized, or not all schools are well aware of things of mental health, and they don't even give importance. Some places have just hired for the sake of, because it's a government role. It's not like they actually want, or they actually feel the kids need it. It's just because they have to. That is why they have hired someone and kept this
Are you
बैठो वहाँ
talking
पे.
about the place that I've worked that I've
I
worked?
didn't know that is for you, but like, okay.
Could be the thing. Yeah, sorry, please go back.
Yeah, but no, but so my experience has been good. That's the thing with my jobs. Up until now, my experience has been good. My first job, as I mentioned, the 6 month project, I was working with corporates. I was doing counseling for corporates. Now I'm working at after that I transitioned to working at a school as a counselor, and even providing remedial services over there. And other than that, I have my private practice, like I said. So I've worked with these different populations. But like you said, you have worked as, you've done teaching, you've done the curriculum thing and all that. So I think we have all gained, like, that's the important thing, right? In your early starting stages of your career, you need to gain as much as experience and exposure as possible in all different populations and areas.
Right.
You cannot stick to one thing.
Right.
And that's where the patience key comes in, where you have to be open to learning, you have to be open to switching jobs, you have to be open to still learning. बिकॉज जो ये एक्सपीरियंस वाले लोग रहते हैं, वो 5-10 साल के बाद वो एक्सपीरियंस रहते हैं. वो
Right.
5-10 साल हमको भी वो एक्सपीरियंस
देना
गेन
है
करना
देना
है.
है देना है.
एग्जैक्टली. यू कांट लीव एनी एरिया लाइक एज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. ट्राई एक्सप्लोरिंग ऑल एरियाज सो दैट यू नो कि ये मेरे लिए है कि नहीं.
Right.
Because I always thought that I wouldn't be able to work with kids, that I wouldn't be a good fit with working with kids, and then I started working with kids, and then I realized that I can, because again, with my personal experience, I know what I went through, what these kids are going through now, so I feel like I can better understand them also right now and provide them that services. So वो important है. You need to explore all areas. Don't keep a closed mind कि मेरे को सिर्फ ये करना है, वो करना है, and all that. Try everything, even if it's just a 1 month internship. करो, try करो. I have done internships with people at rehab also. Rehab facility में भी मैंने काम
I
किया है.
remember you telling me.
With people who are addicted, who are with addictions, with severe mental health disorders and all that. And I found that very, like, it was a good experience. Like, experience wise, it was good. I learned a lot. But then I also realized that this is not an environment I can work in. But at least I could cancel that out by actual experience.
Well,
Actually going and seeing.
देखो, but like, is it really working for you?
Exactly.
Because अभी जैसे तूने बताया ना कि with kids, I tend to had a same perspective जो तूने बताया था कि like तू तेरी difficulties के साथ face करके and then you kind of was able to work on it.
Yeah.
So for me it was more or less like कि behavioral concerns जो थे मेरे, I was very weird, very mean, very rude as a child. बहुत I was very difficult to handle. Even to the point, आज मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि the place, अभी जैसे मैं as a psychologist work कर रहा हूँ, there was this fight happening मेरे स्कूल के बाहर. वहाँ पे हुआ ऐसा था कि मतलब एक कोई स्कूल का बच्चा था, he was like somewhere around in 9th or 10th, और कोई एक बाहर का बच्चा आया था. Some issues they had between them and they started fighting on the street. School तभी मतलब the school was over and like we were getting back to our होम, और मैं अपने वैन के लिए रुका था. तो उस टाइम पे इतना बड़ा बसड़ हो गया था वो कि द कॉप्स एंड एवरीबडी हैड टू इंटरफियर. तो उन दोनों को गाड़ी में बिठा के द कॉप्स टुक देम टू द स्टेशन एंड एवरीथिंग. उस टाइम पे ऐसा सीन हुआ था कि सो माय क्लास टीचर, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर, एंड वो चीज़ अभी भी मेरे साथ है. लाइक इट हैज़ स्टेड ओवर विथ मी थ्रू आउट द लाइफ. शी मैंशनड लाइक कि सो वहाँ पे मुझे वो एक चीज़ बहुत गलत लगती थी. नाम वेंकटेश है, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने इतना प्यारा नाम दिया है, जैसे तेरा नाम एलाइजा है, मेरा नाम वेंकटेश है. एट द सेम टाइम दे हैड दिस थिंग कि दे यूज्ड टू कॉल अस विद आवर सरनेम्स एंड आई फकिंग यूज्ड टू हेट इट टू द कोर. ठीक है, आई लव माई सरनेम, आई लव माई फैमिली, जो भी एंसेस्टरल बिजनेस है सब कुछ पसंद है मेरे को, बट डोंट कॉल मी, मेरा नाम है वेंकटेश. सो वो जैसा हुआ. एट द same time she was like go up, take a look at it, this is going to be your future. Like bhai, I'm hardly in 6th or 7th grade. What are you trying to tell me? I like मुझे बहुत कम अंडरस्टैंडिंग है चीज़ों की. मेरा जो भी, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि जैसे फ्रॉइड ने बता के रखा था, मैं पूरा प्लेजर प्रिंसिपल पे रन कर रहा था. till my मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ till my 11th और 12th grade I was running entirely on my pleasure principle. जो भी समझ आई it happened once I stepped out of my hometown. जब मैं पुणे आया तब जाके चीज़ें मुझे अच्छे से समझ में आई.
Yeah.
But like you know जैसे तू बता रहा है कि us being there for the students it plays an important role because ये चीज़ें ना Elijah मैं किसी को गलत नहीं बोल रहा but I'm just trying to see the like you know show the other side as well कि टीचर्स अभी भी ये सारी चीज़ें बोल देती है. मे बी दे आरंट अवेयर कि क्या बात करना है कि उनके लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही है, घर पे कुछ चीज़ें चल रही है उनकी whatever it is. But guys the statement that you make towards a person a child वो कहाँ जाके वो गड़ जाएगा और वो कितना रहेगा ना उसके पास. You have no fucking idea to it.
Exactly.
I am still carrying that shit with me throughout the life. It's still like you know hits me कि बहन इतना क्या बुरा कर दिया था. ठीक है मैं परेशान करता था सबको. I was very mischievous. But भाई इतना बुरा था क्या मैं कि भाई because see like going to a jail like cops carrying you forward with them like was it like that bad to that level and maybe I don't know what was happening. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि I'm not holding the grudge or anything towards her. But she said what she said, bro. Yeah. Like, मैं तो बच्चा ही था ना बहनचोद. मुझ में थोड़ी समझ थी. समझ तुझ में थी. So that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. And yeah, that's true. Like you know, I even I have many instances not, and I'm not just telling about teachers. You know, even about adults, relatives, and all that. They tend to say so many things as when we were children that we remember even now. Like उन्होंने बोल दिया होगा मतलब मजाक में या like again. I always remember this thing from Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara where Hrithik is like joke. Just because you're joking doesn't mean that I have to take it as a joke.
Yeah.
Like you can't just wear a label of joke and then like you know say whatever you want. But that's so many things, right? Like so many people have said so many things to us as children that we carry even now. It's like a baggage that we carry, and it affects the way we think even now. Like the way we feel about ourselves. Sometimes we question our what self-esteem issues we had or self-confidence issues we had even in college and all that, which we have overcome now, maybe through self-work or through therapy or whatever. But like you know there were so many baggages that we have carried from our childhood that everyone carries. I'm not saying that only we carry, सब लोग carry करते हैं. But again like you said earlier, awareness, number one is awareness, and with awareness comes the process of healing.
नहीं अभी तूने जो स्टेटमेंट किया बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे तू बोल रहा है कि अवेयरनेस हीलिंग ये सारी चीज़ें. बट अभी देख राजा अभी भी जो है मैं उसको ये नहीं कर दूंगा कि थोड़ा उसको सेंटी नहीं कर दूंगा बाय सेइंग इट कि नहीं यार अवेयरनेस नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है, वैसा नहीं है. अपन काम कर रहे हैं एट द सेम टाइम. आई नो कि वट एवर आई एम डूइंग गुड फॉर माई सेल्फ. चीज़ें अच्छे से चल रही है. थोड़ा बहुत स्टेबिलिटी धीरे धीरे आ रहा है चीज़ों को लेकर. बट इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि थ्रू आउट द टाइम जैसे यू मेंशन एंड एनीथिंग एल्स और लाइक
I think इसके लिए for now we can end this discussion over here because we have many more things to talk about और हम तो बात करते ही रहेंगे.
No doubt.
Let's save that for the future episodes.
Let's try to get a hold of few of our friends as well.
Yeah.
जो आ सकते हो. मैं तो खींच के लाऊंगा. I'll fucking bring them. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
ठीक है.